Hi guys, welcome to Pearl TV, and for today's vlog is ayun, this is a beautiful hair transformation of their daughter. She asked me to bring her to the parlor so her hair will be rebonded, okay? And ayan, that's her hair. Ayan. And I asked the husband of my friend to split her hair to rebond because she wanted her hair to be cut into a short one, okay? She loves short hairstyle. And it's been 5 months almost that she requested me. Someone may cut her hair that way, but unfortunately, in the past few months, her hair is very soft. And the design that she wanted for her hair requires a straight hair. That's why her hair is short and it's curly, and we allow first her hair to become long so we can rebond it. So ayan, nangyari na, na-rebond na. And in this moment, the hairstylist is about to cut her hair. I hope you will watch the full video in order for you to learn how to cut long hair to short hair at the same time, the hairstyle that you can consider if you want the short hair. Okay, so please like and subscribe if you have not made yet. Okay.
Makapalang buko niya. Thick hair.
Stay ka talaga, no?
Yun talaga yung pangarap niya. Kasi nung pumunta siya dito ng September, sabi ni Norin, pahabain mo. Naalala mo dati, sabi mo, pahabain mo para magapitan ka. Buti kitang tinga mo ate. Curl na curl, curl na curl. ko before. Linis na atin ang buhok mo. Dapat ang tenga laging malinis din. Kasi kitang-kita yung tenga. Parang sarap magpagupit ng maiksi, no? Ang presko niya. Parang gusto ko nga din mag-maiksi. Nahawaan ako. Pang summer ready na. Summer style. Summer hair ni ate. Tamang-tama, mag-beach na sila mga pinsan niya. Takbo na naman sa ilog. Ganda sa likod. Maliit lang mukha.
Ayan, nakadiri. Ganyan lang siya.
Pag ipapatrim niya sa akin minsan, ganyan lang na ano. Dati kasi ako nagugupit ng buhok niyan eh. Kaso, kapal, grabe ang kapal talaga ng buhok niya. Dito na lang magpapagupit ka lagi, nakakagaya. Mag-high school na kasi siya eh. Kaya medyo ano na eh. Conscious na sa ano niya. Looks. Kaya yun, mag-pulis ka ba, ate? Ha? Hindi, bakit? Para ka nang si uncle mo, kamukha muna na pagkamalang kasi uncle mo kasi. Kapatid ko ganyan mo eh. Happy yarn. Happy yarn.
Kit lang sa eye.
Nabawas-bawasan na yung pimple niya eh. Na maganda na yung hair niya. Anong tawag yan natin na buhok mo? Two cut? Ano yun?
Tutok or leaf cut?
Leaf cut.
First time niya mag-ganyan.
Laging kulot lang siya talaga. Ako lang nagugupit dati. Kailangan kasi talaga sa hairstyle na gusto niya. Straight. rebanded talaga. Para malinis. Nagugulat na si teacher. Si teacher Weng. Ah, really ka pala yan? Dami ng buhok ni ate, oh. Ganda pa rin natin. Ganyan, yan ang magandang cut ng hair niya. Gilid lang. Ganyan anak sa gilid. Naka. Dito, salamin daw. Where your salamin? Let me see. Wow, happy ka? Happy yarn? Let me see your face. Diba? Galing. And guys, we're done. Ate Shasha's here. Yay! Masaya ate? Ganda oh. Tanggalin pa kita mukha. Happy yarn.